Medical bills will start back appearing on individuals' credit reports, which will result in individuals' credit scores dropping down again. So if you had student loans on your credit reports, you already know what has happened with those when they came out of deferment. Some individuals had their scores drop 100 to 150. Now a judge has reversed a Biden administration rule to not medical debt on individuals' credit reports, not because they didn't believe people should pay the debt. It's because they said that medical debt does not show a risk factor on you being able to pay back a loan that you got. So they wanted it to not be reported on the credit report. Well, this is what's going on. We have breaking news. A judge just reversed the Biden era administration's move to remove medical debt from appearing on credit reports. So if you thought that relief was coming, if you thought that, this administration was going to carry on the Biden rule on not reporting medical debt to the credit reports, that's all been thrown out of the window. Hi, just in case you don't know, my name is Stephen A. Williams. I'm the president and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com, where I help people fight back against unfair credit reporting and debt collection tactics. Today we're going to take a deep dive into a major legal setback that could affect millions of Americans struggling with medical debt. Earlier this year, the Biden administration proposed a rule through the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, the CFPB, and we all know what's been going on through there, to stop medical debt from being reported on credit reports altogether, like zero. It did not matter if you had a small debt. First it was over $500 would be reported, but then they said no medical debt should be reported on the credit. They said the reason why, because medical debt is often caused by emergencies, not financial irresponsibility. The rule aimed to help Americans access credit, rent apartments, and be able to get a job without getting punished for ever being sick. But now a federal judge has struck down that rule. According to the ruling, the CFPB may have been overstepping its authority, and credit bureaus can continue reporting medical debt even if it's paid or been disputed. I will repeat that. A federal judge has struck down the rule. According to the ruling, the CFPB ruling by the CFPB maybe have overstepped its authority, and the credit bureaus can continue reporting or go back to reporting medical debt even if it's been paid or is in dispute. Don't worry, I got the solutions for you. Credit Repair Shop was around before the CFPB. Credit Repair Shop knows what to do in this situation, and the Credit Repair Shop does everything different than these people who had just depended on sending some sort of complaint letter. So it reverses. This is what this reversal means, just point blank. This reversal means if you have any medical debt, past or present, it can hurt your credit score. That means higher interest rates, fewer approvals, and another barrier to financial freedom just for needing medical care. But we're not going to let that type of stuff stop us. We're all about solutions. But you don't have to sit back and take it. At the Credit Repair Shop, we've helped thousands of people remove inaccurate, unfair medical debt entries from their credit reports. Regardless if you owe the debt or not, there is a way to get that information off of there, and we don't just send it to the bureau. We go right, pointing the finger right at that furnisher, that debt collector who put that information on your credit reports. There is a way to do it. Using federal laws like the Fair Credit Reporting Act and HIPAA, you can get damaging medical information off of your credit report. So if you got medical debt hurting your credit, now it's time to take action. Go to thecreditrepairshop.com, sign up for the services. We'll do your review. It costs $0 to start. We'll do your review, and if you feel that we're the company for you, you can stay with us. If not, you didn't have any expense. If you don't have your credit reports and scores, go to the website, 3scores.com. SumonsMaster.com to get your TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian credit reports in all 3 scores. If you have debt collectors coming after you, I'm going to give you 2 options. If they're just sending you letters, you can go to SumonsMaster.com for $27. You can upload your debt collection letter into there. It will create an exclusive certified debt validation letter that will stop most debt collectors in their tracks. You can do it yourself. Grab my 3-pack of letters. Link is below here. I do ask for donations on those because it helps me with my time on making these videos. But it will save you time, money, and frustration using those letters. I give you the cease and desist collection activities letter, statute of limitations letter, and a follow-up debt validation letter. If you have debt collectors who are suing you in court, go to SumonsMaster.com where you can upload your court summons as one PDF. It will create a fully formatted response to every allegation in your summons and a defense to help you win your case. Subscribe to my channel, post your questions and comments. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and Founder of thecreditrepairshop.com.